Shrutija. Welcome back to Positive News, which is being telecasted in PMC USA YouTube channel. The whole purpose of bringing this news is to highlight various activities happening in Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement, that is PSSM USA. In this pandemic, people have become more fearful of life, and PSSM is enabling them to be more stronger and fearless with the tools of meditation, plant-based food, and pyramid energy. About PSSM. Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement, that is PSSM, founded by Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, is a non-profit, autonomous, non-religious voluntary movement and working across USA promoting benefits of meditation, vegetarianism, pyramid energy, and spiritual science. Also conducting numerous programs like free workshops for corporates and group sessions, one-on-one sessions, seminars, with goal of enlightening with self-realization, healthy life, self-empowerment to one and all. PMC USA and PMC USA Multilingual Channel. PMC USA channel. This is purely English-based channel which will bring all the content like meditation, live events, summits, experience sharing of various masters across the globe. PMC USA Multilingual Channel. This channel will serve all languages other than English. The content will be on similar lines with meditation events, summits, experience sharing and so on, but to cater to non-English speaking viewers. A great news to PSSM. Patri sir has been honored doctorate by United Theological Research University, approved and accredited by University of Berkeley, California, USA. PSSM USA past events. PSSM USA in collaboration with Spiritual Science Academy, that is PSSA, has designed a level 1 certification course, Ethical and Yogic Excellence. This 20-hour course with core intention of sharing knowledge on spiritual science has successfully completed. Online test was conducted after the course and participants prepared very seriously to the exam. Participants scored an average of 83% in the exam and they all felt happy like going back to school days. They will avail a certificate from PSSA and also authorized by Vedic Wellness University of Florida. Closing ceremony was held on 2nd December in the presence of our Grand Master Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji. PSSM Global past events. PSSM Global had a session with Jen Sedenhans in the program Soul Connect to know the journey of the awakened master. This event happened on December 5th at 11 a.m. EST. PSSM Global current events. PSSM Global is conducting 30 days Ultimate Abundance Mindset course. This event was started on November 30th until December 29th. Please check the flyer for the details. Meditation with Pari every Thursday at 9 p.m. EST in the event Elevate Your Energy. Please look for details at www.pssmglobal.com/events. Activities happening in USA. There are daily and weekly sessions happening across the USA region and the details of the same are attached in the flyer. For further info, please reach out to customer service 1770-872-0955 and the email is info@pssmusa.org. PSSM USA announcement. PMC USA, as part of promoting plant-based food, is also getting ready to showcase on how easy and tasty food can be prepared without using of garlic, mushrooms or microwaves. So please watch our channel for every other Saturday for a new recipe which will be telecasted. PSSM Austin announcement. PSSM Austin is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members. This event has started on November 11th. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM New Jersey announcement. PSSM New Jersey Pyramid Sevadal is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members with special sessions every weekend. Watch out for December 5th session by Ayappa Pindi on Aquamind. Also, watch out for December 6th session by Paripatri on the Law of One. PSSM Global announcement. PSSM Global has proudly launched its new services called Pyramid Call Services Global. Intention of this service is to provide a platform to a new seeker to get attached to a master who can talk in their respective language and provide guidance about the meditation and help them to assign a group as to participate in day-to-day programs. For further info, please reach out to customer service 1770-872-0955 and the email is info@pssmusa.org. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you friends. Shrutija signing off.